Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, in today's vlog, I'm going to do the oil change for my RR310. This will not be a DIY tutorial because I have done this already in a previous vlog. For those of you who haven't watched it, can watch it in the link right above here. Actually, I replaced my air filter. I replaced the brake switch. After replacing the oil filter and oil, I'm thinking of going for a test ride. So this vlog is really about that. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm using this oil for my RR310. This is the TVS True 4 Race Pro synthetic engine oil. This is recommended by TVS, and as per many owners, this is actually the best oil for our engine. I know I've been using Motul previously, but many of the owners have complained that it's really not up to par. And this synthetic oil, this TVS synthetic oil is the best. So next time when you guys do an oil change, please use this engine oil. It cost around 1,750 rupees. I got it from TVS service center itself. And it is exactly 1.7 liter, which is what we need for our engine. So you don't need any measuring jar, you can just pour it directly in. So finally all work on the RR310 is complete. I did the air filter change, the oil filter and oil change. I also changed the faulty brake switch. So right now there's nothing else wrong with the bike. Anyways, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already, and until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.